Look at this engine on this 777. There's human beings, Joe, so you can understand. But this thing is ridiculous. The engine is bigger than most commercial aircraft. And it doesn't matter how big these engines are. They're so well manufactured that even a slight wind will spin them. This is a ridiculous engine. Look at the size of these people. Oh my gosh. This aircraft, I have to be back, I don't know, 40 yards for you to even see the whole thing. But I am awestruck. Golly. That is the most impressive giant aircraft. Look at it. 12 wheels on the mains. Good Lord. It's an E-Tops, of course. Wow. Just wow.